Hello everyone, hi every beautiful people. Let me show you the product FunnelMates. So this is the members area of this tool, and inside this video I will give you a detailed review of this tool. So you will be also available with my amazing bonuses with this tool totally free if you purchase the tool from this page. You can click on the video description link to get redirected to this page, and from this page you can purchase the tool within 44 bucks or 45 bucks for access, and for dealers you can purchase it within 67 bucks. And also you will be available with my bonuses. Just click on this button to get redirected to the sales page of this tool. So let me now show you this tool. Firstly, this tool is all about creating funnels, all about getting the knowledge of funnels, and all about make money online. Okay, so this is a very big opportunity to get a substitution of ClickFunnels. Like you can do the same thing what you can do inside ClickFunnels. Let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing is how you can change your email address, how you can do that tab or this tab, blah blah blah. Everything is given inside the resources, popular training resources. These are the groups, you can join the groups. These are the mandatory. I think if you want to get the knowledge, you need to get the full knowledge or whole knowledge. Half knowledge is very frightening. So that is why you need to go through these groups. If you need to join it, and you need to keep updated. So, and the next thing is upcoming events. Inside the June, these are the upcoming events: June 27, 29 and June 1 that has been passed. These are the Mays, and more upcoming events like inside June. This was changeable. Okay, so this is the icon. I just not noticed it. So this is the icon. You can click on this arrow to go through the previous events, and you can get the knowledges of previous events, previous talks like webinars. This is the June webinar, and this is the July. Let it come, the July webinars. These are the dates of July. Like I think for every week there is one webinar, live training webinar. That is a very good thing. I think that's these upcoming events makes making this tool an overvalued tool. This is a really good thing, and that is the thing. So the next thing is funnels. Inside the funnels feature, let me show you what you get. So it is taking time a little bit. Let me show you from this page. If I want to show you something, I think it has come. So inside the funnel you can search your previous funnel, your previous done for you funnels. Once you have started using it, your existing funnel will be here. And the next option is builder, and inside the builder you can create any funnel you want, like lead magnet funnel. This is the most vital funnel according to me. The video lead funnel, the webinar funnel, and for each and every funnels there are 4 pages. Let me show you from the okay, so it is not working, I think. Okay, so it is working now. So inside lead funnel you can see the blank lead funnel, the lead magnet 2 and lead magnet 3. I think this is the you can connect it with thank you page, download page, landing page, that kind of stuffs. Okay, the lead magnet funnel, the video lead funnel, webinar funnel, review funnel, quiz lead funnel, social lead funnel. So that can be a massive substitution of ClickFunnels to get rid of the monthly recurring charges, to get rid of the monthly recurring 97 bucks charges. You can pay this tool for 45 bucks and like half, lesser than half. And inside the store your done for you stuffs are given, like done for you funnels. This is a done for you funnel, Singorama. Let me show you if I can show you. So this is a done for you funnel. Like inside the 45 bucks, inside the access you will be available with 10 done for you funnels, and inside the deluxe version you will be available with 20 done for you funnels. So these are the done for you funnels. There are so many done for you funnels, as you can see, and designed and also tested. These are the proven funnels, tested funnels, and you can choose any of the funnels you want, and you can start your work inside any niche you want, like blog, like video marketing, like for traffic, everything you want. You can search here, you can take here, and you can use them. Inside settings you need to put your affiliate link like Clickbank ID, Zvizu ID, Warrior Plus ID, PayPal ID, PayPal email to get the paid money. Let me correct myself, that is the main thing. And pay kickstart also. And inside fund, the similar stuffs like your funds, your available balance, your wallet, and your earning. Inside mastery, the tutorial course is given, and also the 6-week affiliate mastering class, which will be started from today 8 p.m. This is the New York time, 8 p.m. of New York, so 10 June. And this is the mates, and this is the helps. Inside mates, the groups are available like Facebook group and some other groups. So that is a tool, I think. So these are the groups which is given also inside the home section. Inside here the groups are given, you can check out. And the most beautiful thing is the done for you stuffs, done for you funnels. And the best thing is the upcoming events, like these upcoming events, these upcoming tutorials that will be very helpful, and live tutorial. You can ask any question you want directly to them. And the good thing is also you can check out the previously done webinars, and also you can check out the mastery, like the 6-week affiliate masterclass, that is also available within just $45, or let me correct myself, $67. The dealer, I highly recommend the deluxe product because it has 20 done for you funnels, and I think 20 is sufficient for your lifetime. So now the tool, the rating is also outstanding. You can see here 9.7 out of 10. And the product is relaunching 10th of June 9 a.m. EST, the New York morning, beautiful New York morning. 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available. And also these are the descriptions about this tool, you can go through it if you want to. I am doing this video a little bit faster, and I have written about this tool, what I think about this tool. I have written it from my heart. This is the sales funnel, you can go through it. If you purchase the upsells, you will be available with more exciting bonuses. So the first bonus is free bonus, the second bonus is commission machine, the bonus number 2 or 3 is HiveApp, next bonus is cash system, bonus number 4 is urgency suites pro, that is urgency bar, urgency timer, everything. And also a tutorial course is available with this. Bonus number 5 is affiliate velocity, the stuffs that are done by the top affiliates that will be given to you inside this. The bonus number 6 is Orion app, and this is the most beautiful, or let me correct myself, best affiliate course I have ever had, and this is a premium tool. So Orion app. And bonus number 7 is solo ad list building tutorial course. Bonus number 8, or let me correct myself, this is a vendor bonus that is available, that is given by the vendor to you. If you purchase it anywhere, you will be available with that. By default this bonus comes to you. And if you purchase any upsell, you will be available with the mega bonus, like 350 plus stuffs. Inside that, more software, more plugin, PLR product, image, songs, everything will be given. And that is the thing, that is the tool. Don't forget to click on that to get redirected to the sales page, and from there you can purchase the tool. Then don't forget to click on the sky blue button to get the bonuses. So that was the product, and that was the bonuses. I am signing out for this video. I am doing bye bye.